सब कहते हैं फोकस एक चीज पर रखो, पर मेरा मानना है कि अगर फोकस तगड़ा हो तो उसे किसी भी गेम से भिड़ाया जा सकता है, किसी भी कोर्ट में उतारा जा सकता है, हर एग्जाम क्लियर किया जा सकता है। मेरा फोकस है अपने टारगेट पर। आई बिलीव, करो फोकस तो दुनिया तुम्हारी।
This is the future.
Following footsteps of gold medalist Manu Bhakar, other kids want to replicate her spectacular shooting success. As many as 10 students are shooting at targets in silence, their eyes fixed on the small black circle 10 meters away, shoulders squared, one hand in their pockets. Younger children are lifting and dropping bricks with one arm to work on their alignment. The students practiced at the shooting range in the Universal Senior Secondary School, Goria village, Jhajjar district in Haryana, 125 km from Delhi. It is in this room that 16-year-old prodigy Manu Bhakar spent many silent hours sharpening her aim.
This is the future.